Navigating your way, the art of using maps and compasses. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can be incredibly useful in both your English learning journey and real-life adventures. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases, use a map, and use a compass. These tools have guided explorers and travelers for centuries, and understanding how to talk about them in English can enhance your vocabulary and conversational skills. Let's get started. Before we delve deeper, it's important to grasp the basic meanings of these phrases. To use a map means to consult a graphical representation of an area to find locations, routes, and landmarks. Maps can be physical or digital and are essential for navigation in unfamiliar places. On the other hand, to use a compass involves employing a device that shows directions: north, south, east, and west, based on Earth's magnetic field. A compass is crucial for outdoor navigation, helping users to find their way even in areas where there are no clear landmarks. Maps and compasses are not just tools for adventurers and explorers, they're symbols of guidance and direction. In a metaphorical sense, using a map or compass can also mean seeking guidance or finding one's way in life or through complex situations. This dual meaning makes these phrases rich in cultural and linguistic context, offering a wide range of conversational usage. When learning English, knowing how to discuss navigation and direction finding can be incredibly useful, especially when traveling or describing locations. Phrases like, "Let's use a map to find the best route," or "I'm using a compass to navigate through the park," are practical applications of these tools in everyday conversations. Moreover, understanding these phrases allows for deeper cultural exchanges. Many English idioms and expressions involve directions and navigation, reflecting the human journey and the search for meaning. We hope this exploration of use a map and use a compass has been enlightening and has added valuable phrases to your English language toolkit. Whether you're navigating the streets of a new city or the complexities of learning English, remember that these tools symbolize more than just finding your way. They're about discovering new horizons and understanding the world around you. Happy navigating, and see you in our next video.